Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you looking for an easy way to manage your disk partitions, recover lost data, or even migrate your OS without any hassle? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful tool that makes all of this a breeze, MiniTool Partition Wizard. Stick around to see why this software is a must-have for anyone looking to optimize their PC's performance. MiniTool Partition Wizard is an all-in-one disk management solution that offers a wide range of features. Whether you're looking to resize, merge, or split partitions, or even recover lost partitions, this tool has got you covered. One of the standout features is the data recovery tool, which can retrieve lost or deleted files with just a few clicks. To delete and join 3 partitions into a new one using MiniTool Partition Wizard, start by selecting each partition you want to delete and choosing the delete option. After all 3 partitions are deleted, you'll have a continuous unallocated space. Right-click on this unallocated space and select Create. You'll be prompted to choose a file system for the new partition, exFAT for general use or NTFS if you plan to install Windows on it. Once you've made your selection, click Apply to finalize the changes. The software will then create a new partition, combining the unallocated space into one with the chosen file system. To delete a partition and extend your home drive, C drive, using MiniTool Partition Wizard, start by selecting the partition you wish to delete. Right-click on it and choose Delete, which will turn that space into unallocated space. Next, to extend your C drive, right-click on it and select Extend. The software will prompt you to choose the unallocated space you just created. Confirm your selection and click Apply to execute the changes. MiniTool Partition Wizard will then merge the unallocated space with your C drive, giving you more storage on your primary drive without losing any data. To perform a surface test in MiniTool Partition Wizard, select the disk you want to check and click on Surface Test in the left pane. Then, click Start Now. The surface test scans your disk for bad sectors, marking any found in red. This test is useful for identifying physical damage on your drive that could lead to data loss, helping you decide if a replacement or further action is needed. To perform data recovery in MiniTool Partition Wizard, start by selecting the drive where you lost data and click on Data Recovery in the left panel. The software will begin scanning the drive for deleted or lost files, a process that may take some time depending on the size of the drive and the amount of data. Once the scan is complete, navigate to the Lost Files directory where you will find a list of files that can be recovered. To recover the files, simply browse through the list, select the files or folders you wish to retrieve, and click on Save. You'll be prompted to choose a location to save the recovered files. Make sure to select a different drive or partition to avoid overriding any existing data. After confirming the location, MiniTool Partition Wizard will restore the selected files, making them available for you to access and use again. To perform the disk benchmark in MiniTool Partition Wizard, select the drive you want to test and click on Disk Benchmark from the left panel. You can adjust the test parameters like file size and transfer mode or proceed with the default settings. Click Start to begin, and the software will measure your drive's read and write speeds. After the test, you'll receive a detailed report with performance graphs, giving you insights into the speed and efficiency of your disk. MiniTool Partition Wizard has a free version for basic use, and Pro, Pro Platinum, and Pro Ultimate editions for advanced features. Check the description links to find the right edition for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tech tips and reviews, Subscribe to Harbor of Tech and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching.